Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and welcome to a new video here on Fetch. Wanted to do an update. I covered this yesterday, but I have changed my mind a little bit about Fetch to be fair. So that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. Kind of do a more long-term, a more higher time frame analysis, and talk about what's possible here. Now, one of the key reasons why I changed my mind about Fetch is not necessarily the market. I would say the market at this point of time is still in a very similar scenario as yesterday, and that's also one of the things I'm most worried about. All right, so yesterday I was slightly bearish on Fetch. We did talk about this. All right, I did not say we're going to dump down right here. I did say we're probably going a bit higher here. So that's still going on here. But there's two main reasons why I'm relatively bearish on Fetch here, and I'll talk about those. But if you look at the technicals here for Fetch, it looks quite good. All right. So what we have seen since yesterday is that we've actually seen momentum kick in. So what you see right here is that the open interest is actually increasing for Fetch. Now it's not only long orders. All right, so this is not a huge amount of traders or whales only buying Fetch. No, it's also quite a lot of short orders coming in, but it's a mix of longs and shorts coming in. And with the bullish momentum we're seeing right now, and with the potential of the market also keeping its bullish momentum, those shorts coming in also mean that there's a ton of liquidity to the upside here, which is very interesting for whales and market makers to push the price up higher. So given that momentum, and that's also what I said yesterday. Yesterday I said, usually when Fetch gets very bullish, the open interest is rallying up as well. And then when we look at some more higher time frame structures here, I find it hard to look at this in any way other than being relatively bullish on this, right? If you look at it like this, for example, and there's different ways you can kind of see this, right? So I think we had a big bearish structure right here. Then we dropped down towards 75 cents, strong support level. After that broke above $1, significant bullish reclaim. So there's multiple ways you can look at it. Either we started some sort of a new bullish impulse here, and we had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move right here that ended the 27th of August, which means that afterwards we corrected, and this is a very beautiful ABC, which means that at this point of time, it's quite likely we're going back into a new impulse wave. This is bullish. Another way you could also look at this is that after doing this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we did not start a new impulse wave, or we did, but the bigger wave is kind of an ABC like this, which is also bullish. That also implies that we are at least making that C into the 1.75, 1.9 before dropping down lower. So all of these higher time frame structures look bullish to me. So that in combination with the momentum that we've seen come in makes me slightly bullish on Fetch here. Like we might pull back here into 1.25 and 1.2, but after that I do think it's most likely here that we will at least get back up to 1.5, and from there we'll see again. Now I do want to highlight that I'm still slightly cautious because of the fact of Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin turns very bearish here, I'm not certain that this will happen. I think this is most likely given everything we talked about earlier. But I am cautious, all right? And I'm not blindly buying Fetch here. I also, when I look at other AI coins, am also not convinced. Other AI coins such as Render, Near, and Tau have been strong on Monday when the entire market was strong, but haven't been so strong here. So do I think it's most likely Fetch will continue its bullish momentum here? Yes. First price target, bit conservative, is 1.5. We could also, like I said, rally up higher into 1.7, 1.8. We'll talk about that later, but I do want to leave you with the tip of being cautious, especially like if we get a positive inflation rate and CPI data reading today, then I think you can turn quite bullish on Fetch. But if that's going to be bearish and Bitcoin is not able to hold its bullish structure here, then I would be cautious, and then the whole structure can also change. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.